In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Instagram Explore page when it doesn't show you what you want to see. So first, go into Instagram and go to the Explore page by pressing the search icon at the bottom left. So what this page does is that the Instagram algorithm compiles all kinds of content, from posts to reels, that they think you want to see. And these are all based on your app activity, like what accounts you follow, what you search, view, like, all that stuff. Now, if this shows you content that you don't want to see, the first thing you do is you can say you're not interested in certain types of content by hitting not interested in topics you don't like. So just like this, then you can just say you like certain types of content by liking it. This helps the algorithm figure out what content you like and don't like. Then you just refresh and repeat until it shows you what you want to see. But if this doesn't work for you, then you can go into a web browser, then just do a speed test to check if your internet connection is fast enough to see if the Explore page is loading correctly. Or you can search on Google, is Instagram down? Then you go into Down Detector and check if the servers are down. This helps you know if there's an underlying issue which causes your Explore page to not load correctly. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.